Moana stood at the edge of the vast, sun-drenched beach, her toes curling into the soft, cooling sand. Towering beside her was her giant friend, a gentle creature sculpted from coral and living vines, whose footsteps sent pebbles scattering with each move. The ocean, sparkling and alive, played at their feet, sending playful waves that shimmered with strange, flickering lights, almost as if the sea itself was trying to speak. The big island, lush and green, hummed beneath their feet, but it was changing. The earth trembled in slow, steady pulses. Moana watched with wide eyes as patches of grass disappeared under rising puddles. The ocean whispered, sending a chain of towering waves rolling toward the shore, though none broke with their usual thunder. Instead, they folded themselves gently, letting smaller waves run up and touch the toes of Moana and her friend. Suddenly, the giant companion lifted Moana up and gazed toward the horizon. There, a school of dolphins traced curious shapes on the water's surface, as if drawing paths that led away from the sinking land. Moana's heart quickened. The island was slowly sinking. The legend spoke of such events, but they'd never seemed real until now. Palm trees tilted at strange angles, their roots showing as the water crept higher. In the distance, a flock of seabirds circled noisily, sensing the change in the air. Moana turned to the ocean, her oldest friend. The waters churned, not in anger, but with urgency. Sand patterns formed messages beneath the clear waves, swirling in spirals. Moana placed her hand on the shifting waves, feeling a pulse of warmth. With a deep breath, she resolved to gather her island family and the animal friends hidden in the forest.